Hello everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Xbox gift card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in xbox.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this page, click on the sign in button at the top right and log into your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right and click on this three dots right next to Xbox profile. Click on redeem code and then on the next page, redeem your gift code or your gift card by typing it into the text box. Make sure to type in your Xbox gift card code correct and remember that it is 25 characters long. Once you enter the correct information, you'll be able to redeem your gift card right away. That is how you can easily redeem your gift card for Xbox. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.